If you are looking for a mother of pearl Asian home decor table, then this is what you're looking for. This Asian furniture home decor table made out of mother of pearl. It is one of a kind. It's been individually handcrafted using techniques that have lasted 1,000 years. It's a beautiful design and has iridescent colors of mother of pearl. This is a one-of-a-kind item of mother of pearl home decor table. To get more details about this, click on the link under this video to find out more information about this amazing mother of pearl home decor table, which has been crafted beautifully. Please click on the link below.